Today, let's start our LifeVantage success journey by looking at who you should talk to about LifeVantage. Seeing your warm market is critical to developing a winning strategy. Your warm market is the group of people who you know and they know you. They are most likely the group that you'll be able to help immediately with your amazing LifeVantage products and business opportunity. Many of the people you know would benefit in their lives from this journey you've started. Most of us instantly recall only a small portion of our warm market. So we'll use this criteria to help you identify people who might qualify. Anyone who knows you and who might spend 5 minutes with you simply because you asked them to. Now notice the word might in our warm market definition. Often people exclude folks from their warm market by deciding in advance that this person wouldn't spend 5 minutes with them if asked. Some of the time you may be right, but for the purpose of this exercise today, let's give people the benefit of the doubt and don't prejudge anyone. This skill of seeing and tapping into our own networks isn't only a network marketing skill, it's at the core of almost any entrepreneurial endeavor. So when it comes to applying this concept of influence to your business, often we avoid talking to people because we don't want to waste their time or we're afraid they might say no. But you've got some great information for them that could be life-changing. So why not give everyone you know the opportunity to hear what you're doing and have no be an okay answer if that's where they are after they're educated. Just don't decide for them. If you have even a little bit of influence and you ask in a simple, honest, straightforward, non-intimidating manner, you'd be surprised how often people respond in a positive way. Here's an interesting statistic for you. In 2013, AC Nielsen, the well-known TV ratings company, released an interesting survey about what people trust when it comes to products. Here's what they found. 47% of us trust TV, slightly lower for radio. Now, what source of information do you suppose we trust more than any other? What a family or friend tells us. 92% of us trust what a family member or friend tells us about a product or service. Most of us have far more influence on our warm markets than we assume.